Hello friends, so today I am going to tell you how to draw an angle of 60 degree, 120 degree, 30 degree and 15 degree. So for the construction of these angles, first let us draw a line segment and at the end point of this line segment, I am calling this line segment as AB. A is this point, and at A I want to draw an angle of 60 degree first. So to draw an angle of 60 degree, first what you need to do, fix a pencil in your compass and then put it at A with A as center and any suitable radius. Any suitable radius, we have to draw an arc. Like this. And keeping it open to the same radius, now I have to put my compass here at this point, let me call it P. So I am putting the compass now at point B and with the same radius I will draw another arc. Now I have got this point, let me call it R. So this point I will join it to A and extend it. This gives me an angle of 60 degree. So if I name it as C, then this angle CAB is equal to 60 degree. After this, let us draw an angle of 120 degree. Now to draw 120 degree angle, I only need to double the 60 degree angle. For that, my compass is still open at the same radius. So I just have to extend this arc a bit like this, the initial arc, and like after keeping at P, I took with the same radius, I have put this arc at R. Similarly, I have to put my compass at R now and cut another arc. And let me call this point S. Then I have to join AS and extend it. So now I am calling this end point D. So angle DAB, this complete angle will be equal to 120 degree. From here to here it is 60 degree and from here to here it is 120 degree. So this is how we construct an angle of 60 degree, and with the help of 60 degree we construct an angle of 120 degree. Now after this, to construct an angle of 30 degree and to construct an angle of 15 degree, what we have to do is, I have done this already, which I have shown you. This cut is for an angle of 60 degree. So now this much distance, if I join this by a line, I will get a 60 degree angle. So this arc stands for a 60 degree angle. And if I have to construct an angle of 30 degree, it means I have to draw an angle which is half of this 60 degree. So first let me join this for 60 degree angle, and after this I have to bisect this 60 degree to get the 30 degree angle. Now how to draw the angle bisector? Let me call this point as P and this point as Q. I will keep my compass at P and I will open it more than half of the arc of PQ. So if I keep it here, it is less than half. This is approximately half and this is more than half. Little near to Q. And I will just draw an arc like this. and keeping it open at the same radius, I will put my compass at Q and I will draw another arc. So let me call this point as T. So simply I have to join, let me call this point as B. ABC is 60-degree angle. Now I am joining BT and I will extend it after joining. So let me represent this line segment with another color. So this line segment represents that this angle is of 30 degree, and let me call this as D point. This is D point, so angle DBC is 30 degree. Now when I have to draw an angle of 15 degrees, so that means 15 degree is half of 30 degree. So now I have to bisect this angle. Now let me call these 2 points as X and Y. These 2 points I am calling as X and Y. Now I will keep my compass at X and Y and simply open more than half of it like this, and I will draw an arc like this, and with similar same radius I will cut another arc here. I got this point. Let me mark this point and highlight it, and then what I have to do is simply join these 2 points and extend the line segment. So let me do it, and we all know that 15 is half of 30. So join it and extend it like this. So this angle that I have got, this will be equal to 15 degrees. So this is the construction of angles. Thank you.